Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in North Africa and a neighbor to Libya, Sudan, and Israel. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Egypt, 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 Egypt. Egypt is rich in history and culture, boasting ancient monuments like the pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx, which are among the most famous and fascinating landmarks in the world. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Egypt, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.